Logan number 2.
Donald Trump stating his administration has...
So first of all, let me assert my firm belief that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
Ooh, that was good, Zach.
Believe that any of us
Great show, Zach.
would exchange places with any other people or any other generation. The energy, the faith, the devotion which we bring to this endeavor will light our country and all who serve it. And the glow from that fire can truly light the world.
All these comfortable camp chairs.
And so, my fellow
You're
Americans,
not sitting in any of them?
ask not
Good children.
what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
We can dig it high.
I can't hear the thunder coming from your mouth, and I know my number's up. Give me some Stevie Wonder. Click, put it on before we go under. I can't see the lightning coming from your ears. Yeah, I see you're frightened. I can't see the lion sleeps tonight and the tears you're crying. You can't love me unless you love you too. Treat yourself like nothing but a fool. Can't love me unless you love you too. Love you too. Come now, set the best on fire. Stand up, raise your face to the skies higher. Together, we can take it higher. We can take it higher. Come now, set the best on fire. Stand up, raise your face to the skies higher. Together, we can take it higher. We can take it higher. Can't see the rainbow coming from your heart to your darling kids. So come now, see you're my angel. Say bye to the past, hello to tomorrow. You can't love me unless you love you too. Treat yourself like nothing but a fool. Can't love me unless you love you too. Love you too. Come now, set the best on fire. Stand up, raise your face to the sky higher. Together, we can take it higher. We can take it higher. Come now, set the best on fire. Stand up, raise your face to the sky higher. Together, we can take it higher. We can take it higher.
Being recorded.
We can take it higher. We can take it higher. We can take it higher.
To those who would tear the world down, we will defeat you. To those who seek peace and security, we support you. And to all those who have wondered if America's beacon still burns as bright, tonight we proved once more that the true strength of our nation comes not from the might of our arms or the scale of our wealth, but from the enduring power of our ideals, democracy, liberty, opportunity, and unyielding hope.
Yes.
That's the true genius of America. That America can change. Our union can be perfected. And what we've already achieved gives us hope for what we can and must achieve tomorrow.
In these desperate times, love will hold us.
Ooh, those are glittery and pretty.
Love will join
Everyone's so windy, they need to be cooler. I know.
So we lay our head down to wash their feet.
Ooh.
When we see our
Shine bright like a diamond.
we'll all be free. Yes, we'll all be free. Yeah. Let the light keep it shining. Let it break into the darkness. All the love dares us to see. We'll all be free. So let the light keep it shining. Let it break into the darkness. All the love dares us to see. We'll all be free. We are free. We'll all be free. We are free. Free. We'll all be free. Let the light keep it shining. Let it break into the darkness. All the love dares us to see. We'll all be free. So let the light keep it shining. Let it break into the darkness. All the love dares us to see. We'll all be Tell the lovers, everybody, tell everybody, we'll all be free.
I have a dream that my poor little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today. Let freedom ring, and when this happens, when we allow freedom ring, when we let it ring from every village and every hamlet, from every state and every city, we will be able to speed up that day when all of God's children, black men and white men, Jews and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics, will be able to join hands and sing in the words of the old Negro spiritual, free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last.
There must be lights burning brighter somewhere. Got to be birds flying higher in a sky more blue. If I can dream of a better land where all my brothers walk hand the doubt and fear. If I can dream of a warmer sun where hope keeps shining on everyone, tell me why, oh why won't that sun appear? We're lost in a cloud with too much rain. We're trapped in a world that's troubled with pain. But as long as a man has the strength to dream, he can redeem his soul and fly. Deep in my heart, there's a trembling question. Still, I am sure that the answer's gonna come somehow. Out there in the dark, there's a beckoning candle. Oh yeah, and while I can think, while I can walk, while I can stand, while I can talk, while I can dream, please let my dream come true. Right now, thank you. Good night.
Yay! That is it. That should be it.
Nobody's down there, right?
No.
Program.
These are still going off. He was 1 year.
What?
Remember that one year he went down there?
That is it. These are just extras.